How to fix active status on Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video, I will simply show you the way on how you can fix the active status on the Messenger app. But before we get started, as always, if you're new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, it really depends upon what you're trying to fix in the first place. If you're not being able to see someone's active status, or if people are not being able to see your active status, or if you want to simply tune off active status, I will simply describe what all of those options mean. So make sure to stick with me till the end. The very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and then make sure you have updated the Messenger app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in a search box typing in Messenger. Go ahead and simply either download or update the app to the latest version. Once you've done so, what I'm going to do is go ahead and then basically open up the Messenger app. Once you open up Messenger, you want to go ahead and then first of all simply log into your account. Now I will show you what basically all of these options mean on the Messenger app. For example, let's say that you're not being able to see somebody else's active status, or no one else is being able to see your active status. First of all, tap on your profile icon on the top left. If you're on iOS, it would be at the bottom right, and over here you'll find this option which is active status. Now in my case, you can see that I have this toggle turned on, which means that I can see everybody's active status, and in return they will also be able to see my active status. But if your toggle right over here is actually turned off right over here, it would mean that nobody else would be able to view your active status, and in return similarly you will also not be able to view the active status. As you can see right over here, if I go to active section, you can see I will not be able to see who's active on Messenger. So this works on both ways. If you turn it on, people can see it and you can see it as well, and if you turn it off, people won't be able to see your active status, and in return you will also not be able to see their active status. So you simply have to turn it on, and this is basically how you can fix the active status on Facebook Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.